Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss second type of way to work with the Wiremock instance. So that is the Wiremock Admin API. So Wiremock Admin API is a JSON API. It's like any other JSON API over the internet, and it is exposed by Wiremock, using which you can use any or all of the Wiremock features. You can access any of the Wiremock features, like we have the stub mappings. So I have taken extract from the Wiremock site itself. We have stub mappings, we have request. You can access if there are any requests were missed or not, and you can also start the recording and use the play you record and playback feature also, right? So we will be discussing all these things in detail in our upcoming session. So I have created a separate sections for all this for Wiremock jar using the Wiremock Java API as well as the admin API. So now I will show you how this admin API looks like and how we can interact with this. So now this is the admin API documentation page on the Wiremock site, where all the features of this APIs are API exposed by the Wiremock are listed, right? So you can see all these operations. These all operations can be accessed using this API, all the Wiremock feature. And while running the instance, you can easily access this using this endpoint, right? So the localhost is by default, because by default we run it over the localhost, but in case you're using a remote instance, then you need to provide here the remote system IP and the port on which the Wiremock is running. So let's try this, how this works. So first let's go to the directory where we have the standalone jar, and we'll do the same process here. First we will start the Wiremock instance using the Java command. So I open the PowerShell in the same directory, write java-jar Wiremock Standalone. So currently I will be using the default port, that is 8080. Now the server is started. So now let's go to this endpoint if we are able to see the document or not. Yeah, so here we have that documentation, and let's go to click on Swagger UI. Now you can see, so the Swagger UI is just a tool by Smartware to that's a documentation tool where you can see any API that are documented in Swagger, right? So these are all the operations which are exposed by the Wiremock admin API. We have get all stub mappings. These are the related to all the stub mappings. You can perform any operations on the stub mapping. You can also reset, or you can create any stub mapping, new stub mapping, right? And these are the request operations. So don't worry, we will use these all the operations in our detailed section on admin API, right? So this is the way you can access the API, admin API, right? So that's how this works. So let's see if we are able to access this if I stop the instance. So as you can see, this is tied to the Wiremock instance itself, right? So I will also show you how this works on the remote instance. Thank you.